This is the presentation for Amazon Textract integration. Let's start. Let's go to Design and Assets. Click on the plus icon. Go to Task Template. Here we see the Amazon Textract integration. We will select it and we'll click on Next. We see this interface with general information where we have option to provide folder, job name, workstation, and description. For the connection tab, we have to provide access key ID, secret ID, role ARN, and region to authenticate to AWS Textract. For the action, we have option to select adapter ID, which the user will create on AWS console. Next option is for adapter version and document path or S3 object key in case the document is a multi-page document, and S3 bucket name in case S3 object key has been provided. I have already created a job. We'll see this. For the general information, I have provided name of the job, workstation. I have the connection parameters over here for the authentication. For the action, I have selected the adapter ID with version, and I have provided a PNG file so that our integration could extract data from this file. This is the file which I have used. I have already submitted a job. You can see the job is successful. We can check the task log. These are the details we provided from connection and action tabs. And this is the response where it extracts text from the image. We also have the output properties with all the data. That should be all. Thank you.